How you doing, guys? And welcome back tonight. Because during the day all we had was football. But look at this. We're actually gonna go to a fair that's here locally. And look at this. We all got dressed up in different bathrooms, but we all kind of match. And yeah, we got two missing because one is already there. And now we're gonna go pick up Gabby. She's at his friend's house, and then we're all gonna go to the fair. So what do you think? With what is it, Blue Man people? Moon Man Group. All right, let's go.
To the show.
What was it again? Let's go where?
To the show.
You guys just heard that noise, right? Yes, that's my alarm, smoke alarm that I already changed the batteries on it, so I'm guessing the alarm is defective. That's why it keeps beeping. Because everybody has been telling me, change the batteries, change the batteries. I did a long time ago, but it doesn't stop the beeping. I guess it's defective. So I gotta get another one or get it fixed.
Stay inside.
No, Yuli, you cannot come with us.
Bye.
No dogs allowed at the fair. Oh, and yep, crazy Florida weather. Yesterday it was hot and perfect to go on the boat, and today it is cold and chilly. That's how crazy Florida for you. A lot of people here.
Alright guys, so we made it to the carnival, or a fair, whatever you want to call it. I haven't been to one in a long time. My kids haven't been either. So I decided it was nearby the house, maybe 15-20 minutes away. And like you can see, I never expected to see so many people. And actually they're neighbors and friends here, so that's a good thing. But mostly they're old kids from school. So you know how that goes. Kids see their friends and they disappear. But Gabby and Joel and Gabby's friend decided to take the first ride on this, I guess called Roundup. But it looks not scary, but if you don't have a tough stomach, I don't think you can hold it. And right next door is the Zipper. I remember riding that ride when I was younger and I loved it. But I don't think I could do it today though. And here I try to catch Gabby and Gabby's friend and Joel, but the ride was just going too fast.
All right, where's Joel? Joel!
Yep, we couldn't much even finish talking to our friends because Gabby and her friends wanted to go ahead on the next ride. And yep, I already lost Joel because he found his friends, and I still haven't found Fresco. So we're here, me and Ogita, being parents. That actually I told Ogita first time in my life that I feel like a parent, because normally when we come to any amusement park or fairs, I'm the one riding with the kids. here's a ride that looks interesting, so I challenged Gabby and her friend to go on it. Okay, so let's be honest. How many of you guys gone to a fair or an amusement park and rode a ride like this and actually came out without feeling dizzy? But kids being kids, they're always going to enjoy something like this. And yep, they're off to another ride. But this one, they kind of complained a little bit because it was too slow. It wasn't exciting enough. And here's another ride that I challenged them to do, except for the line was kind of long, so we had to sit around for a good 15-20 minutes. But we'll see if it's worth it or not. And now, how are you gonna come to a carnival and not have funnel cake? But this one had condensed milk. First time trying it, and it was really, really good and sweet. And you know what? That's my mom's weakness. But she was strong this time. She didn't have a taste. But I sure had to have some.
Oh my god, I'm so fast. Mommy, literally make it as anticipated. We just want to eat it.
You want to eat it?
Yeah. Whose is this? Mom's?
Pablo, no quiero.
I'll take it. So how does it taste? Amazing. You like it?
Now that funnel cake was good. But here is something I haven't seen in a long time. A merry-go-round. And they're gonna go on it. I wonder if they expect it to be exciting or not. Because I remember riding this when I was 10 years old. Or when you were on a date and your girlfriend was too afraid to ride any other ride. Okay, so they said the merry-go-round was a little bit too slow for them. And can you believe it? They wanted to go back and take another shot at the roundup ride. Well, like you can see, the kids are having a great time, but I'm getting kind of hungry and it's getting kind of late. It's about 11:30 and finally I found the gang. I found Joel and Fresco, and even with all the fair food that they ate, they still were hungry, so they were all in for the midnight snack. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I think the night is ending pretty good because it's ending with food. And how many of you guys love to eat breakfast at midnight? Well, if you think about it, it's already in the morning, so I guess it's a very, very early morning breakfast. And I know today is not a voting day, but I think it turned out pretty good because the kids played their football game in the morning. Joel's team won, Fresco's didn't, but I guess better luck next time. and then we got to go to the fair, and they had a good time with their friends. As long as they're happy, it makes me happy. So I will call this another great day.